Here in beautiful Dundas, our clients Tom and Leah have 3 young children and they wanted to renovate this beautiful walkout basement. It's a really large space with beautiful windows and they wanted a space that they could entertain their family and friends. It was a blank slate. We wanted to keep the integrity of the structural posts that were already here to try to keep the costs down, but basically we could do whatever we wanted. All the walls that you see up are ones that we put up intentionally in order to divide up the space so it could function well for this family. On the client's wish list was a large gas fireplace and a large TV. We ended up with a 75-inch frame TV, which is quite large, but the clients really like that when they're entertaining their friends and family. We then designed the floor plan around the fireplace and the TV. We started with a really large 10 by 10 sectional, a large rug to hold the space, and then 2 swivel chairs, so it's great for conversation and for TV. Back in the day, if we wanted family-friendly fabrics, we had to use outdoor upholstery. Now we have new technology where we can source fabrics from anywhere, any supplier, and we send it out, and what they do is they dip it in this Ultra treatment, and it makes the fabrics very family-friendly. So instead of stains seeping in, they stay on top, and we blot them out easily. The great thing is it doesn't feel like an outdoor fabric. They still have that soft feel, which is really great. The entrance to the backyard was kept open so the clients could use this space really easily. They swim in the summer, they use it as an ice rink in the winter, so we want to keep the space really open for them so it functioned well. We designed a wall-to-wall banquette for these clients. We wanted to give them a space that they could have a table, sit at, draw at, have light entertaining, but also keep one side open for ice skates and towels in the winter and summer. Tom and Leah really wanted a kitchen that was almost full size. The island is 10 feet long and the periphery is even longer. The fridge is a full-size fridge. We gave them a dishwasher and a sink, so it really works well when they're entertaining. The homeowners really wanted a space that felt moody and handsome and almost like a late night lounge feel. So we started with a medium white oak with dark countertops, and then we brought the counter up the backsplash for a real wow factor. For a bar feel, the clients also wanted a TV on top of the counter. I actually think it looks really cool, and they wanted this space to almost feel like a hotel lounge. Tom and Leah really wanted wine storage. In this house, they have a bay window upstairs. So downstairs, we had the same bay framing, but it's really hard to make that feel intentional. So we ended up putting the wine storage in that bay framed out area, and I actually think it looks really great. When you come down the stairs from the upstairs living space, there's a really dark hall. This hall doesn't get a lot of light, so we purposely saturated the walls in a really dark navy. We just thought, let's just go for it and make it what it is, and kept it really dark and moody. It was important to give the clients a staircase that felt open and airy. So we designed this with glass and wood so it feels contemporary and still lets your eye travel around the space. For this back wall, we did this really cool organic wall. I'm really proud to say this is all Goodwill. The frames are Goodwill. We actually cut out pieces of art from a book, put it in the frames, and I just think it looks really unique and special with no budget really at all. To level up the design in the back hall, we added wall molding to all the walls. As well, we were able to hide a secret door to a games room for the kids. Since it's mostly for the kids, we wanted to give them something special. So once you go through the door, you're in a really moody, cool games room that the kids really love. Because our clients wanted a space that they could have their family over, we wanted to accommodate a guest room for overnight guests. So we added a simple 10 by 10 room with a bed, some nightstands, just so people feel welcome to stay the night. Tom and Leah really wanted a large bathroom. They wanted 2 sinks and a really large shower. We also had to accommodate a sump pump and some other mechanical issues as we're in the country a little bit. So we added an arched entryway, and on one side we have custom built-in cabinetry that hides all the mechanical, and on the other side of the arch is the toilet. So it keeps that stuff hidden. As well, we didn't want a bathroom that was 15 feet long. So this sort of breaks up the space a little bit and it feels more appropriate. This is a bungalow, so the basement's a really large space. By renovating the basement for our clients, we actually doubled the square footage that the clients can use. They're so happy now that it's summer. They use the space all the time, coming in and out, and it just really works well for their family.